Next one is the cost of debt. Now, cost of debt is again the required return on the company's debt holders. So there are two ways to compute the cost of debt. The one way is to compute the yield to maturity, so YTM on the debt, and the other way is to use the estimate of current rates based on the bond rating. So the first one is computation using the calculator that we used before in chapter 6, and the second way is basically just compare with other similar debts. Now the important thing is the cost of debt is not coupon rate. So example is the current bond issue is the 15 years to maturity, coupon rate is 12% and coupon paid semi-annually, and the current bond price is $1,253.72. And if you compute the interest, like the YTM on this debt, then this bond will pay now 30 times coupon because this is semi-annual, and the coupon amount is coupon rate, which is 12%, divided by 2 because this is semi-annual, times 1,000, which is par value. So $60 every period for 30 times. And finally, it pays $1,000 par value back. And it sells for $1,253.72. So I put negative because we buy it, so we pay. So n equal to 30, present value is negative 1,253.72, future value 1,000. And the PMT 60 and compute I, then you're going to get 4.45%. Now this is not the end because this is actually 6-month rate. We have to convert YTM to the annual rate, which is the multiplications, like multiplying by 2, making it annual rate 8.9%. So 8.9% is the cost of debt for these bonds. Now, so this is easy. So you get the YTM, but in fact, because interest expense is tax deductible, we have some benefit from tax savings. So the cost of debt is not before tax, it's actually after tax cost of debt. So how to find after tax cost of debt? The after-tax cost of debt is simply the before-tax cost of debt times 1 minus corporate tax rate. So suppose the corporate tax rate is 40%, then our calculated YTM is 8.9% and 1 minus corporate tax rate. So eventually, our cost of debt is only 5.34% because we save some costs from the tax savings. So this is the important number, 5.34%. The next one is the cost of preferred stock. Preferred stock is the stock that pays constant dividends. So this is equity, but this is usually just separately treated from the common stocks we learned the cost of equity. So cost of preferred stock is simply starting from the price of the preferred stock equals to dividend divided by R, right? So if we rewrite this, then R, the cost of preferred stock, should be dividend divided by the price. So for example, the preferred annual dividend is $10 and current stock price is 111.10. Then simply the cost of preferred stock is 10 divided by 111.1, which is 9%. So 9% is the cost of preferred stock.